Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix Play Store not working on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to App Library, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down to and click on Apps. After click on Apps, scroll down and search Play Store app from here. After click on Play Store app, click on Storage and click on Clear Cache. After Clear Cache Play Store app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so check your network. After check your network, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.